Hello everyone, I'm Joey and I'm glad you joined me today. Please join me as we are going to learn more of the basic words or basic signs that somebody should know when starting to learn ASL. So one thing there that you can do if you really want to learn signs is to do the sign yourself. So feel free to shadow me or to follow what I'm doing as I'm showing you the signs today. Thank you and hope that we will learn together. My, mine. My or mine are the same. Mine. If we say he or she or it, if we use those words, we just point on the person that we're pertaining to or talking to, or to the thing that we are talking to. Like we just point on them like he, she, it. We, index finger around our chest, we or us. Our, like possessive pronoun, our. Not, not. None, none. Have, both palm open, pointed to our chest. Have, have. That will take the shape of the Y and we'll just press it down like that. THAT, that. In, we're just like putting something in. And when we say out, 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 out. Again, ready? Take the shape of the R in ASL. That's the R. Say, ready. Start. Just think of it like you're starting a car with a key. Start. We'll put it in the middle of our index finger and the middle finger on our non-dominant hand. Start. Start. Need. Say, shape of an X in ASL as well. Need. Need. Give. Give. All. A and L. Or we'll do all. All. More. More. Come, two index finger, and we'll say come, come, come. Right as in correct, two index finger, and we'll just put it on top of each other. Right or correct. Wrong, like a mistake, shape of the Y, put it on our chin. Wrong. No. Wrong. Pass, like we're waving on our back. Pass. Pass. Slow. 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 Small, like small amount, just small. Now, the shape of the Y, but both hands, and we'll say now, now, now. And understand. And if you say don't understand, you'll say don't understand. Just wiggle your head. Don't understand. Understand is like flicking up. Don't understand is like your face should show that you don't understand. Don't understand. Okay, guys, I think those are the words for today. And I hope you were able to follow. And I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much, guys. And if you are visiting on our channel, on my channel, and you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below to subscribe so that you will be updated on our next videos. And also, please don't forget to like our video. Thank you so much and hope to see you on our next video. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.